Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be cash stuffing my last paycheck for the month of August. This is not including my side hustle paycheck, which I will stuff later. This is my paycheck from my business, so stay tuned. Typically, I would go ahead and go in and unstuff this and restuff it, but I was shooting some TikTok content, so it's already done. I didn't feel like unstuffing it, but I will go through the numbers with you. So we added 50 to gas, 120 to groceries, nothing to DoorDash, 20 in spending, 5 in miscellaneous, 5 in help a human, and that's it. We did have a little bit of rollover money left over, and that's already been moved over to the fund that it's supposed to go to, and that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. We are going to go ahead and get started today. Since we're skipping the wallet, we're going to go ahead and cash stuff our bills. So to rent today, we are adding $500. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 500. I know this amount has like varied all month because my goals keep changing, but I think we're going to stick with 500 for now. The whole housing thing, we finally figured it out. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1,900, 2,000, 2,100, 2,200 in rent. If you follow me over on my other channel, you've been kind of keeping up with what's going on. So if you're interested in what's happening with us moving and stuff, go check out my second channel. Utilities will be receiving $50. So in here we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200 for utilities. Okay. T-Mobile, let's see, we're going to be putting $40 in there. This fly is irking my nerves. Hadn't seen a fly all summer, and now this Negro shows up. Okay, T-Mobile, what did I say, $40. All right, so 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 165. Y'all, I was gonna try to shoot an ASMR cash stuffing, but I'm just too childish. I just kept laughing at myself because it's so weird. I don't know. Internet's gonna get $30. It got too quiet, like, so no. I'm gonna pass on that. Internet is getting 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220. So we have 220 in our internet bill, and that's way more than the actual bill costs, but we're getting ready to change internet providers finally. And you have to pay for the equipment and all that stuff. Storage is going to get $60. We did move to a larger storage unit, so we're going to do 20s, 20, 40, 60. So that bill is going to go up some. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180. I think I need like I think it's 230. I need to look. Let's see. Self-lender is going to be receiving $10. So we have $40 in there. Our streaming services are going to be receiving $20 this time. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. We started using Apple TV, and so I like buy a show every week. So that's why I went up $10 to make sure I can cover that. Up next is credit cards. So Self-Lender has a $0 balance, so does my Bank of America. Navy Federal, like I said, we added that additional money from rollover from the cash envelopes. So if I swipe my card to pay for groceries or gas or eating out, I pay it back with the cash from my wallet. Yearly subscriptions is getting its typical $5. So in here we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 520, 530, 540, $550, $560, $565. This is going to be super dope to be able to pay my whole yearly, like get a yearly for, I'm planning on doing Prime, Canva, DoorDash Dash Pass, something else. I think maybe my Zoom. Anyway, this is my apartment rollover envelope. I've been trying to add more money to here because moving is expensive. So 110 is going here. So we now have 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, oops, 210, 211, 212, 213, $214. Okay, so that is it for bills. We're gonna actually move that one over there. And now we are going to work on our sinking funds. So very first here, we have Christmas. And Christmas is going to be receiving $30. And I haven't updated my trackers yet, y'all. So we have 1,000 in the bank, 50, 70, 90, 1,100. So we now have $1,100 in Christmas. I think I'm gonna stop at like, I don't know, 1,500 or so. Ooh, that fly, bruh. I think that'll be plenty. Most of my nieces are grown, and I'm gonna quit doing the most because no, they spend my money all year. So Thanksgiving, 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 350. And it's also time for them to learn that it's about giving too, instead of just receiving. As you become an older individual in your family, you have to be the one to make holidays great for the younger people, you know. They're spoiled rotten, so I have to make sure they understand that it's not always about receiving. Sometimes it's your turn to give. So 100, 200, 250, 260, 265. I've been that for them their whole life, so it's important that they be that for the next generation. Baddie Vacation is going to get $50. I want to go gamble. I'm going to be honest. I love playing roulette, and there's a casino a couple hours from here. And I just want to go spend a weekend and turn off my phone, get off of Instagram and all that stuff business related, and just relax and play for a little bit. 100, 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 350. That's a quick and easy and relatively cheap trip. I can usually pay for it with Fetch Rewards, like the hotel and gas and stuff. And then I just use the money to gamble. Doctor visits, nothing. So it's easy for me to do for a quick weekend. Vehicle maintenance, nothing. I think the only thing we're doing today is insurance. So to our insurance, we are adding $50. I was just sitting with a friend and she was complaining about not having the money for insurance, and I just thought back to this envelope like, my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 13, 14, 1,500, 1,620. She was talking about using her credit card for insurance, and I was just like, girl, you've got to try cash stuffing. Like, I have enough money in here. I won't have to worry about insurance payments for a year and a half almost. But I'm consistently adding money to here. So that's also a big part of it. I think, okay, we do have some low priorities to do. Nothing in the kids' vacation, nothing for Rico. And Amazon, we are going to be adding $20. Again, I know a lot of people are like Amazon addicts. You can buy on Amazon, just save up for it. Y'all, the way these flies get so disrespectful. So on Amazon, we have 100, 200, 300, 320, 330. Up next is Target. Again, that's another place that's like, I don't cut it completely out of my life. I just budget. And I try to not be wasteful with the money, because you can walk in Target and just see cute stuff and just go to doing the most. 100, 200, 250, 270, 280, 285. It was even a point where for almost a year I didn't even go inside the store. I just did pickup. It was like a detox, because baby, I was addicted to Target. Hair is the next one we're gonna do. We're gonna be adding $50 to hair products. So in here we now have 100, 200, 310 in hair products. And remember, I am paying myself back with this fund. I think I'm about $20 away from being able to pull it out. Skincare is getting nothing, but perfume is getting this last 50. Paying myself back here as well for a fragrance purchase. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 10, 11, 12. So 512. I think the bill, I think I'm pretty close. I have to look at it. But yeah, I'm going to update that on the trackers too. So that's everything. I will go through and show you. So I did do the savings challenges this week. I finished out the August challenge, ended up adding $56. We had 150 something in there. The 100 envelope challenge, I did that one on TikTok as well this week. So we added in some more numbers this week. 52 week challenge, we added $30. As always, I transferred over $100 to my 401k, as well as $100 to my student loan balance. Not even to my balance. Sorry, y'all see that fly. To a savings account that I'm going to pay my student loan with once they figure out forgiveness, which is supposed to be next Wednesday. So I'm hyped about that. All right. So that's everything for this cash stuffing. Sorry that it was missing some stuff, but y'all know I'll be on all the platforms. So thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a really good day. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace.